Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez made her monthly visit in the Bronx last week and debuted a series of bills titled A Just Society.
We're almost lying to people by saying, no, you're economically secure making $35,000 in New York City. We all know that's not true. So that's the first part of this.
Each of the 6 bills addresses economic injustices in the U.S., such as safe working conditions, living wages, and health care, topics Ocasio-Cortez has put on the forefront of her political career.
Just society guarantees economic, social, and cultural rights for all.
Although the 6-bill package focuses on 38 million people living below the poverty line, one focuses directly on housing reform, offering insight to address extreme economic inequality and poverty. One Bronx site supports her bill because she says
she represents us and she's not a politician. I'm inspired every time I'm in her presence.
Before the town hall, she addressed Mark Zuckerberg's appearance before the House Financial Services Committee about the misinformation spreading through Facebook ads.
So you were viral last week on Twitter with the new question Mark Zuckerberg. What do you think about that, and why do you think that you went viral?
Well, why did we go viral? I think because not a lot of people hold billionaires accountable these days, and particularly not a lot of them hold them accountable in front of the American people, in front of the general public. When the CEO of the company doesn't know basic answers to very critical questions about maintaining the integrity of our elections in 2020, we're in really big trouble.
Esher Abbo says she decided to come to the town hall because she believes Ocasio-Cortez still puts her Bronx community first.
Oftentimes people in positions of power are rarely as connected to the place that they govern as they should be. And to hear her speak will give me hope for her future in her position of power and the changes that she can make in the spaces around me.
AOC's bill is on the back burner for now, as the House Democrats are focused solely on continuing the impeachment hearings. To see all 6 of the bills, visit Ocasio/Cortez house.gov/AJS. Reporting for BronxNet, Darissa White.